In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Duolingo widget to home screen on Android. In order to make that happen, we need to head over first and make sure that our Duolingo is installed. As you can see right here, I have in there my Duolingo. If you don't have it, you can proceed to your Play Store or App Store and make sure to install it. Head over to Play Store and make sure to click on search bar and search in here for Duolingo. Now make sure to click on this, install and update it if there's an update available. Once you have done that, proceed to your home screen and then long press on any part of your home screen that has a space. Once you have done that, you should be able to proceed to add in here some widgets. So it actually depends on what kind of Android you want or you have. So typically the home screen is the actual place in order to add it. And from in there, you can also just search or add in here some widgets available. So that's how you add Duolingo widget to home screen. I hope this video helped you out.